In this video, we are going to compare YouTube TV versus Apple TV. Which one is the best? These are two big names from two different experiences. Now, first up, YouTube TV. It's a live streaming service with over 100 plus channels, unlimited DVR, and great sports coverage. It's perfect for cord cutters who want that traditional cable feel, but without the cable. And now let's go ahead to Apple TV. Not to be confused with Apple TV device, we are talking about Apple TV Plus. This is a streaming platform. It focuses on high quality original content, no live TV, fewer shows, but ultra polished storytelling and 4K streaming. So who wins? If you want live TV and variety, YouTube TV is your go-to. But if you love premium cinematic originals, Apple TV Plus delivers that Hollywood vibe.